How to create an account without email or phone verification on TikTok, Twitter. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Now, first of all, you have to open Twitter on your mobile, and then you have to go on the profile option that is located up above, and then go on the create new account option. As you click on create new account option, now over here put any name. Let's say I am putting this name for myself. It will check for the availability. Now I have to use phone or email, whatever I want. Now I have to put over here a valid email. Let's say it's a valid. Now I have to go and select my date of birth, then hit next, and then hit next, and then I have to click on sign up. So by clicking on sign up, it will not require any of my verification or email or phone verification. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.